Hello and welcome back to my channel. God bless you. Yeah, congratulations to every one of us all for joining this channel. Okay, so today I want to show you a quick 6-2-5-1 in the key of C, just minor 11 voices. So I'm going to call out the notes. We have on the left we have a A, E, B. On the right we have a C, G, B, and D. Then you take that down chromatically. Let's do it like this. We have, after this chord, this first chord I gave you, just come to this. Come up. So we have for our 2, we have a F sharp, C sharp, A flat on the left. On the right we have a E, A flat, and B. Then for our 5 we have G. On the left we have G, D, A. On right we have B flat, F, A, and C. Yeah. So then on 1 we'll do a C major. Sorry, not major. C dominant 13 chord, which is a C, G, C on your left, and then B flat, D, E, and A on your right. So in case if you feel I'm too fast, there's actually a playback. You can actually slow down playback on your YouTube app. So if you feel I'm too fast, you can just do that. Yeah, and you still pick the lessons. So together we have a. So you can always do that every time. When a singer sing. Let's do this song. For you are great, you do miracles so great. On 6. So for you are great. Let me play that very nice. You do miracles so great. There is no one else like you. There is no one else like you. Don't forget to click the subscribe button for more. Thank you. I remain myself, Johnsonkeyz. Bye.